Today the date is 16 and month is 1 and the day is Sunday. We are in 7th week of your semester 2. Today in science unit 3 changing materials, we are going to cover lesson 3.6. Check your progress. It is on page number 36 and 37 of your learner's book. So in this lesson, we are going to review whole of unit 3 and we are going to solve some of the questions. Before that, we are going to learn some of the words that were in this lesson, in this whole unit, and those words were important. The first word is bend, heated, cooled, warm water, elastic. You can see on your page there is the first question. Carlo the clown has finished his show. This is Carlo the clown. He has finished his show. So now we are going to see this picture carefully and we are going to give answers of the questions that are given. You can take out your pencil and write the answer in front of the question. Question number 1A. How has the balloon in Carlo's hand changed shape? See the picture here. In the Carlo's hand, there is a balloon. So what he did with the balloon, boys? See the picture carefully. He bent the balloon and he twisted it. So what happened? How the balloon changed? Bent and twisted. What happened to the balloon? Right in front of A, bent and twisted. What happens to the balloon? He bended the balloon and twisted it. So right in front of question number A, bent and twisted. How the change shape? How the shape changed? By bending and twisting. Carlos bent and twisted the balloon. Question number 2. Carlo has dropped the plates. What has happened to the shape of some plates? You can see here, he dropped the plates. So what happened to the plates? The plates were squashed into small pieces. What happened to the plates? Plates were broken into small pieces, squashed into small pieces. Write small pieces in front of question number B. Carlo has crashed his car. What has happened to the shape of the car? See here. Car is bent. What happened to the car? The car is bent. So hurry up, complete your answers in front of your questions so that we can move on further in our lesson. There is the shape of elastic and distance paper plane flew in meters. Very thin elastic, 2 meters. Thin elastic, 4 meters. thick elastic 6 meter. So here is the question number 1. Which elastic made the plane fly farthest? Farthest means away, far. So plane number C, thick elastic. You can see in the screen because it flew the plane 6 meters away. So you will write thick elastic in front of the question. Thick elastic made the plane fly farthest. So the answer of first question in question number 2 is thick elastic. Thick elastic made the plane fly farthest. Right? Thick elastic. Elastic number 3 made the plane fly 6 meters away. 6 meters away. So you will write thick elastic. Question is, which elastic made the plane fly shortest distance? You can see here 2 meters, 4 meters, and 6 meters. So very thin elastic made the plane fly shortest distance. So you will write very thin elastic made the plane fly the shortest distance. Right in front of question number 2, very thin elastic. Question number C is, what would happen if Juno used string instead of elastic? So what is going to be happen? The plane will not fly. It would not fly. It would not fly the plane because we are using string instead of elastic. So our plane will not fly. So right in front of C, it would not fly. It would not fly. Question 3 says, what happens to these material when they are heated? Chocolate, butter, ice. What will happen when we heat them? We put them near or on, or we heat them. What will happen to these materials? We have chocolate, butter, ice. So they will melt to liquid. What will happen to them, boys? They will melt to liquid. They will melt to liquid. What happens to these materials when they are in a freezer? First of all, number A, we have water, cooking oil, warm liquid chocolate. What will happen to these things when we are going to put them in the freezer? They will change to solid and go hard. Solid and they will go hard. Solid, no need to write freeze. Just write. They will change into solid and they will go hard. If we put these things in the freezer, they are in liquid form, and when they will cool down, they will change into solid and they will be hard. Musa stirred sugar into cups of warm water. In one cup, he put 2 teaspoons. In the second cup, he put 4 teaspoons of sugar. And in cup C, he put 7 spoons of sugar. So the question is, what is going to happen if he is adding all these sugar? Sugar will dissolve in warm water. What will happen? Sugar will dissolve in warm water because we have studied that sugar dissolves in water easily, and in warm water, it will dissolve all the sugar. In first cup, two teaspoon. In second cup, B, 4 teaspoon. And in seventh cup, 7 teaspoons. So the sugar will dissolve in warm water.